Hi everyone, let's walk through the 2x2 Rubik's Cube today. Let's give it a quick shuffle. And let's pick a face to start. I usually start with the white side. So let's start with the white. What we'll do is we'll move kind of any easy pieces you see up. Since these two are on the bottom, we'll rotate, I guess, them both up. And that leaves one here on the bottom. We'll rotate it up. Since we don't want this white piece to move, we'll shift it to the side, move this up, and now solve this one since it's on the top face now, or the side face. Move this left side down, move the white piece over, back up. So now you've solved the top side. Now we need to see if any two pieces are matching. It doesn't look like any are. So go ahead and take one down, move it to the side. Look for an orange or green. Looks like green's here. So we'll want this piece to go up top, right? So that's gonna be green, the side will be orange. So what we'll do is we'll move it to the left, move the right side down, move the piece over, move it back up. Now we have green and orange completed, and this white piece will be red and blue, right? So here we have blue and red. So what you'll do is you'll move it to the side, to the right, move this left side down, white piece back, and then move it back up. So now we have all the top layer completed. Next, we'll look at the second layer. We'll kind of shift it around to see what sides are matching. It looks like here, green, orange, and yellow. This is in the correct location. Don't worry about orientation yet. Here's correct, blue and orange, that's in the right place. This one needs to swap, right? Blue and red need to go in this corner. So what you'll do is you'll hold the correct sides on the back and then the two incorrect up front. That's how you want to hold the cube. If let's say you have three cubes that are correct, three cubes that are incorrect and one that's correct. Let's say, for example, this one's correct. You want to keep it on the right side. For now, since we have two incorrect pieces, we'll keep that in the front. Follow this algorithm. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom right, left down, bottom left, right down, bottom right, and then move the white back up. And then what you'll do is you'll shift it over one, and then you'll see red and green, blue and red is correct. This needs to be orange and green, that's correct. This side's correct, and it happens to have two yellow pieces oriented correct. If that's the case, you'll leave it on the right. If you have no yellow pieces on the bottom, that's fine. You'll still follow the same algorithm. But if you happen to have two correct, leave it on the right. That kind of moves it along faster. So we'll follow this algorithm for the last orienting the pieces. Right down, bottom left, right up, bottom left, right down, bottom right, right up. Left down, bottom right, left up, bottom right, left down, bottom left, left up. There you have it. 2x2 completed. If let's say you did that algorithm and it did not get completed, you repeat the same algorithm again until it's completed and you'll get there. You might just have to do it a few times. Okay, good luck everyone.